Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss what Bitboy revealed about XRP, and will XRP delist permanently from crypto exchanges. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Canadian cryptocurrency exchange Bitbuy has announced that it's going to delist XRP, the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, on January 13th, 2022. The exchange allows users to trade the token against the Canadian dollar and Bitcoin. In January, XRP/CAD or XRP/BTC markets will both be removed from the trading platform. Bitbuy urges users to withdraw any remaining tokens from the exchange before the delisting takes place. It adds that XRP will be replaced with other unnamed cryptocurrencies. Registration approval from the OSC. In early December, Bitbuy obtained approval from the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, to operate as a fully registered dealer, becoming Canada's first trading platform to achieve such a feat. In its most recent announcement, the exchange states that it has to follow the OSC's guidelines to decide whether or not a certain cryptocurrency can be classified as a security. Bitbuy says that it has to consider the opinion of international regulators. The exchange doesn't rule out that XRP might be relisted on the platform as the regulatory environment changes. Regulatory scrutiny. Earlier this month, Newton, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in Canada, announced that it would also delist the Ripple-affiliated cryptocurrency along with Tether, the largest stablecoin. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission landmark lawsuit against Ripple was filed roughly a year ago, kicking off a nasty legal battle that XRP proponents claim will significantly impact the broader cryptocurrency industry. In January, a slew of US-based exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, Binance.US, and other trading platforms, moved to halt XRP trading due to the cryptocurrency's regulatory uncertainty. The lion's share of XRP's trading volume comes from Binance and Huobi. On the other hand, the legal fight has impacted the price of XRP, which has fell as low as 18 cents before recovering to now trade at 76 cents. Several leading cryptocurrency exchanges and trading services have stopped offering XRP, while the SEC lawsuit works its way through the courts. However, proponents of the XRP crypto are cheering the latest twist in the courtroom drama after a federal judge ruled that the SEC must turn over to Ripple a key email that could benefit the cryptocurrency developers' defense. What happened with the XRP crypto? Judge Sarah Netburn of the Southern District of New York ruled that the SEC must surrender to Ripple an email with a draft of former director William Hinman's speech on whether Ethereum is a legitimate security. The decision is significant because it opens the door for Ripple to gain access to numerous SEC documents that the Wall Street regulator had, until now, claimed were privileged information and should not be entered into court as part of the discovery process. Gaining access to the email and some related notes could help Ripple in its defense and provide insights into how the SEC and its senior leadership view cryptocurrencies and trading in digital coins and tokens. In its legal action, the SEC accuses staff of Ripple of selling the XRP cryptocurrency in violation of federal securities law, as XRP is not currently classified as a registered security. Why it matters. The judge in the case ruled against the SEC and in favor of Ripple, and the decision provides Ripple's legal team with access to documents that could shed light on how the regulator thinks about digital coins and tokens such as XRP. The lawyers for Ripple will be parsing these documents for information that can help the cryptocurrency developer prevail in court. The positive legal development is also potentially good news for the price of XRP, which has risen or fallen over the last year on every development in the SEC case. Over the previous 12 months, XRP's price has swung from a low of 25 cents to a high of $1.96, before settling at its current level of 76 cents. The cryptocurrency's price was unchanged at the time of this video. What's next? The legal saga that has become the United States versus Ripple is by no means over. The court battle could drag on for many more years to come. And while it is ongoing, a cloud will continue to hang over XRP. But the latest development in the case clearly favors Ripple and its defense. which is good news for investors who are bullish on the digital asset. Ripple's digital payment system was on top of the world at the end of 2020. The XRP cryptocurrency that serves as the RippleNet platform's preferred transaction currency reached a multi-year high of 69 cents per token in late November as the vision of an ultra-efficient international payment system started coming together. But the progress hit a brick wall just a few weeks later when the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, charged Ripple and its top executives with the conduction of $1.3 billion of trades in unregistered securities. Many cryptocurrency exchanges and trading services stopped offering XRP trades over the next couple of weeks, and the currency's price plunged below 18 cents per token before the end of 2020. The XRP chart has been choppy ever since, soaring or plunging as the SEC lawsuit worked its way through the legal process. When the SEC stepped in, many investors had expected XRP to soon eclipse its all-time highs just below $4 per token. Is that still a reasonable goal in the near future? Let's have a look. The legal challenge. Even though the number of trading services for XRP tokens is quite limited these days, the digital currency still boasts the 8th largest cryptocurrency market cap at $37.7 billion. It's only number 16 in terms of daily trading volumes, lagging far behind leaders like Tether and Bitcoin, but nearly tying the coins ranked around the 8th position. In other words, XRP is still an actively traded cryptocurrency despite many leading broker services washing their hands of the potential legal blowback that could result if Ripple is found guilty of securities trading regulations. That fact speaks volumes about the demand for a swift and safe border-crossing payment service with minimal transaction fees. Ripple.net offers all of these features alongside compatibility with many different digital and fiat currencies. The SEC sees XRP's market position in a different light. The lawsuit alleges that the token should be subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional securities along the lines of stocks, bonds, or option contracts. Ripple's lawyers and executives are trying to explain to the court that those rules might apply to a value store like Bitcoin, but not to XRP. This token is arguably a closer match for old-school currencies such as the euro, the dollar, or the yen. As the available lifeblood of a global payment network, XRP should be treated more like the decentralized programming network Ethereum, which the SEC is happy to leave under the same banner as your favorite fiat currencies. This process will take time. The outcome of the SEC lawsuit will either crush XRP's real-world value with draconian regulations or allow the currency to flow through American cryptocurrency trading platforms. Any shades of gray in between these extremes will be a win for Ripple in all practical matters. Don't forget that this case likely will set the tone for regulating other cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks. The legal action started more than a year ago, and the case is still just in the discovery phase where the two sides are collecting evidence supporting their claims. It could take years before we have an outcome here, and the wait will be long if the parties take full advantage of their appeal options. XRP can reach $5, but not quickly. Legal challenges are never easy to predict, but the cryptocurrency market as a whole would benefit from a final judgment leaning in Ripple's direction. That pressure may not mean much when the adversary is a division of the US government. Still, Ripple and XRP will at least benefit from top-quality legal advice and community support along the way. There is too much at stake to leave the cryptocurrency alone on the front line. XRP should rise above $5 if I'm right. That's why a full-fledged SEC victory would come as a surprise to me. In my eyes, it's a possible result, but not a profitable one. However, it won't get there quickly. The chances of a final verdict in 2022 are slim to none, so XRP investors should hunker down for a multi-year ride to that lofty peak. Then again, patience is the best of all virtues for a serious investor, since unbreakable patience plus robust long-term growth equals wealth-building returns. All things considered, I don't mind holding on to my modest collection of XRP tokens for the next several years as this legal drama plays out. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.